guys, today is International Children's Day and I'm here in Beijing and visiting this tech fair for children. Let's go and have a look. Moving to the Mars apparently is the theme for the future. And apparently today we have a lot of tech toys actually demonstrating this future trend. So let's have a look at this toy developed by the research team of University of Beijing and how they want to help us to understand our future life on the Mars. 你好，能帮我们介绍一下吗？
我们先看一下这个金属的采矿车吧。它的话呢，就是当我们探测到金属的时候，它就会报警。像这个桌子，它就是铁的，所以它就可以报警。那这个呢，它是一个风力发电的基地。那我们如果用风吹动这个叶片，它就会将我们的风能转化成太阳能。你看亮了，灯亮了吧？这个的话呢，它是一个运输车，它的这个表面比较大，它就可以载着其他的小车，这样我们就可以去做其他任务了。它是避障机器人，当它碰到障碍的时候，它会自己转向，改变方向。那这个车呢，它是一个火星上的吸尘器，打开完之后，这个叶片就转动了，然后呢，它会利用压力差把这些碎屑全都吸进来。
So this is a thermal imaging actually machine. So once you look through this, actually the image will be directly transferred to the computer. And so, for example, from here, and then you can see it on the screen what you could see. So if you see from this, actually this is an image that you could see through that thermal imaging machine. So now I'm going to actually experience this projection project. Let's go. So as you could say, like there are a lot of astronaut icons in this park. That is because this place used to be the factory of satellites in Beijing. And right now, since they do not manufacture the satellite here, this is transformed into a new type of chilling park for children, for youngsters. So there are a lot of cafes, there are lots of restaurants here, but they keep a lot of things in link with astronaut and also like satellite and also astronomy. And here you can see there are a lot of status of astronaut, of moon, all this. And beneath there is always a QR code. For example, here you see the astronaut on the moon, and then there is like one QR code. If you scan it, let's try. For example, if you scan it, and you will get to the page of certain information about satellite. This is like apparently the first Chinese launched a satellite in 1970s, and there are movies and information about this. And yeah, it's quite interesting. And let's scan something else there. For example, this is another astronaut and stepping on the Earth or another planet. And there's also a QR code. And let's scan it. Here, this is about this satellite launch center in Taiyuan. And yeah, this is information about like how it works until recently, and the latest satellite launched by the center of Taiyuan. And yeah, you can learn more information by stepping. So there is a content table, so you can know quite a lot of things. So quite a lot of people have asked me the following question. Why are Chinese so open to innovation and technology compared to the other countries? Based on our experience, especially based on our experience today on this tech fair for children, the reason is very obvious, because the information and also technology innovation are actually very accessible to Chinese citizens, especially for children. So can you imagine, like at the early age of your life, you already aware of a lot of cutting edge technology or this innovation, it is actually hard for you not to embrace them, when you grow up. So it's very easy later on to integrate them into your life, into your work, and also into your career. And I think that is very important. And that open up people's mind, and so people, instead of raising too much questions, they dive into it and try to be part of the future world. I think that is very important, and I see it mostly from a positive perspective. So if you want to know more about Chinese market, if you want to know more about technology and innovation from China, don't forget to follow us. See you. Bye.